Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to download images from Google to Gallery. So for that, head over to your browser. Once you're in your browser, make sure you have logged in into your Google account and then search for anything you want. Like I'm searching for cat and click on go. Go to the images and now just select any cat picture or any sort of picture you want. Now here you'll be able to see three dots icon, or you just can keep tapped on the picture and this interface will arrive. There will be several options. As we want to download our image, we will just tap on download image. And here you can see my file is downloaded and just click on open. And here it is. All I need to do is head over to my gallery. And there goes the picture of it in my gallery. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next one.